Hello everyone. So what we're going to look at is how you can actually edit Canva templates that you might have got access to through various different lead magnets you might have got. You might have purchased them from someone. And we're going to show you how you can actually edit them inside Canva. I'm going to show you this by using our own templates. So I'm just going to download one of these templates here that we've got, just so that I can actually show you how you would change it. So I'm just going to download this one here. So what will usually happen is someone will give you a link to a template, and then it'll bring up a screen like this, telling you that it was a template created by, who it was created by, and then it allows you to go off and start editing it. So if we press Use Template, it's now going to load up Canva. Now, for the purpose of video, I do have Canva Pro. So some of these features that I'm showing you may not be available to you if you're on the free plan. So at least you can see, obviously, if Pro is going to benefit you or not. So when it loads up, it's going to look like this. And as you can see, this is an ebook. It's got a few pages in here. And now we want to brand this up to look like us and make it nice and easy. And there's various different ways that you can actually do that. So one of these is, of course, we want to actually change the whole style. So if you go to styles here, you can see there's various different, styles that you can choose from, or you might have one saved up already that you want to use. But let's just say I'm going to use one of these that they've got, and I'm just going to pick one at random. And if I just pick that, as you can see, it has totally changed the look of this now already. And if we choose another one, again, we can see it's just automatically in the page changing it. And then obviously if you go to the next page and we clicked it again, it's changed it for that as well. So if I click on this and click my IT Moon palette, it does that again. It doesn't do it perfect, but if you press this little shuffle button, you can shuffle around just to see if there's any styles that you like coming up to you like that. So that's one way that you can do it. And it's the same as fonts. So if you want to change the fonts, you can just press that. And as you can see, the fonts have now changed. And again, there's different fonts in here that you can choose from. You can go through, or you might have your own set up that you want to choose from. There you go. So that's how you would edit the fonts. So let's just say that actually the colours, we want to be a bit more manual in the editing of colours. So all you would do, let's just say this phone, for instance, is if we click on the phone, you will see at the top the different colours that this phone is using. So like the orange, I might not like, and I might want it to be a bit of a white. So I can change it there. But I might want to change this colour to an orange, and we can see it's changed the outline of it there. So it's about clicking around and seeing what you like to do. Same as any of the other colours. So again, this one is an image, so it's not letting us edit the colour of that one, but we can obviously just change that image out for a different one if we wanted to. Same as the text. If we want to change the text, if we click on it, we can actually just manually choose a font. If we want to just manually choose a font. So it's nice and easy for us just to change that font simply. We can change the size of a font here if we want to change that as well. It's nice and simple to basically do. Now, what about there's something you want to edit and you don't know where it is? So maybe you want to edit something that's not letting you select. I can't even think of an example on this one. But let's just say if we click on position, and then a new feature that we've brought out is layers. So you can actually see every single thing on this page. If there's something that you can't find that you need to click on because you want to edit it, you can basically just find it through here, click on it, and then it's highlighted and you can see all its properties that it is. Nice and simple. Now, what about the photos? So we want to change the photos, for instance. This is very simple. All we need to actually do is, if you go to photos, you can upload a photo yourself or search for a photo. And what you can literally do is you just drag the photo, not here, you drag it into the phone and you will see it replaced there. And then if you double click on that, you can actually move the image around to make it basically match whatever you want it to match. Nice and simple, job done. Same if you wanted to change this, for instance, to a different element. Well, what you would have to do is you'd have to delete it, and then you would have to find your own drawing that you want to put in there. So it might be that you search for, I can't think of what we'd search for, but you'd basically find an image you want to search for and place it. You can do things like that and drag it in, so it's basically the same size. Totally up to you how you do that. What you can also do is press the info on here, and you could say see more like this, and it will bring up things that look similar to it that you might want to use. So for instance, it might be that you want to replace it with that, and we can do that. Just drag it in over things and it'll change it. if you ever want to. So for instance, with the icons, let's just say you want to, you want that kind of style icon, but you want to change it. Just press the I, go to we can't see more like this. How rude. Nope, can't see more like this. If we can't see more like this, something you can look at is look at the keywords that are used. So line art is used, for instance, or icons. So when we're in here, we can search line art icons, and it's going to show up some various different graphics that we can potentially replace this for. And again, it's just as simple as you would drag it into there. We can resize it up and delete that one out instead and just replace it. Moving various different things here. Same for all the text. It is simple as just type it into the keyboard, and that has changed that for us. Nice and easy. And it might be that you actually want to get rid of some pages or add pages in. So it may be like, you want another page like this because you're going to do 10 tips. So what you would do is you would press the duplicate page, and it would duplicate that so that you can actually go ahead and add some more tips in there. And if you wanted to delete a page, just press delete. And if we wanted to add a whole new blank page in, you can just press add page and it'll add another one in, or copy another page and then you can redesign it as you see fit. But once you've done that, that's it, job done. Give it a new name just so that you know what it is. It'll be saved inside your Canva, and then you can download it as you wish as a PDF, PNG, anything like that. And that's it, you've edited a template nice and easily. The good thing to note is that there is various different templates already inside actual Canva that you can use, and you can always access these at any point and just search for some templates and you'll find some. But if you've purchased them or anything like that, that is how you would do it. Hope you found the video useful. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel to support us in creating more videos like this, and let us know in the comments if you've got any questions at all.